Ladies and gentlemen, with just 8 days to go for Bengal battle, the war of words between the Trinamool Congress and the BJP is getting more bitter and personal, with Mamata Banerjee now alleging that there is a wider conspiracy to rig assembly elections by the BJP. Taking the baton forward, a battery of TMC stalwarts petitioned the Election Commission of India in New Delhi today in asking them to intervene so that even when the EVMs post-polling are stored, they are not rigged by the BJP. Gunning for the Election Commission, the leaders stated that free and fair elections in West Bengal are becoming a distant dream. The BJP outrightly trashed the Trinamool Congress's allegation, saying it's just a ploy to divert attention from recent attack on BJP leaders in Nandigram. Once again, Mamata Banerjee's close aide and now her political opponent Shuvendu Adhikari lashed out at Mamata Banerjee, saying that the master of rigging elections was actually Mamata Banerjee and the Trinamool Congress himself. Well, that brings me to the legitimate question, even before the elections can begin, is it really EVM ka bahana already on the board? That's the question and the debate. Bengal poll dangal coming up on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Riju Datta of the Trinamool Congress joining the debate, as is joining Saurav Sikdar, spokesperson of the BJP in West Bengal. But Riju Datta, I want to ask you, the last election in 2016, which Mamata Banerjee won, the Trinamool Congress won, was also, carried out by the Election Commission and through EVMs. And you won that election. Even at that time, Narendra Modi was in New Delhi as the Prime Minister of India. What is so new about elections and EVMs this time around that the Trinamool Congress, even before the first vote has been put in the EVM, you're feeling so scared? Are you stressed out?
Good evening, Navika ji, and good evening to everybody. See, Navika ji, the thing is, we won the elections in 2016 where Prime Minister Modi was the Prime Minister of this country. We will win it again when he is the Prime Minister of this country, no doubt about it. But, the most important word in English dictionary is not love or hate, it's hope. And we just hope that EC is fair. We just hope that all the 100% VVPATs are tallied. We just hope that, the central forces within 100 meters of the polling booths are not used to intimidate our voters. We also hope that the EVMs are not hacked. And we finally hope that the people's mandate for the development of Bengal eventually comes out victorious. So it's all about hope, and we are just, guarding ourselves by going to the Election Commission that they conduct a fair election.
Well, let me ask you, Shehzad Poonawalla, hope is a big word. And today, hope is the only thing that's keeping political parties afloat. But I want to ask you, hacking of EVMs, an opportunity, an invitation was given by the Election Commission. They asked everybody, every political party to come and hack the EVMs. Nobody did it, and nobody could do it. I mean, we also know Kapil Sibal's big press conference with a hacker in London. Nothing really happened. It did go forward. But every day to come out and say that, oh, EVM is the problem, EVM can be hacked, EVM will do this, doesn't it sound like an excuse? Because the Prime Minister in his tweet has said BJP is winning. He's confident. He's not complaining. He's not complaining. He's lost Punjab, he's lost Rajasthan, he's lost Delhi. He never complained कि भाई EVM में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, पर इनको सबको EVM में प्रॉब्लम लगता है.
My good friend Mr. Datta is saying hope. It's not about hope. It's actually about hopelessness. These hopeless cases have the same toolkit. From TMC to Congress, EVM बहाना है, दीदी को बचाना है, इसलिए भवानीपुर से नंदीग्राम स्कूटी को भगाना है, TMC से जो लोग छोड़कर जाए उनको मीर जाफर बुलाना है. पर एक चीज़ ख्याल रखना है कि खेला होबे नहीं, खेला शेष. Because you have done institutionalization of corruption, corruption of institutions and criminalization of politics. इसीलिए माँ माटी मानुष जा रहा है, बटन पे कोई नहीं दबाने वाला है, और इसीलिए आपको ईवीएम का बहाना चाहिए.
Well, so let me get in Saurav Sikdar. Saurav Sikdar, when political parties begin blaming and begin questioning EVMs, do you think they've already given up? Khela shesh hoye geche?
It's already Khela Shesh, Navika ji, because it's almost 38 days left for coming 2nd May. And Mamata Banerjee is so confused, so confidenceless. So she is just, looking for excuses. Sometimes she is blaming election commissions, sometimes she is blaming EVMs. I mean, it is showing clearly the sign of defeat in her body language. Sometimes she attacks Prime Minister personally, abusing with bad words. I mean, this is a clear indication now that I think that was her last excuse to gain sympathy by blaming election commission and EVM.
Riju Datta, attempt on her life, EVM faulty, EVM hacking. बहुत बहाना हो गया. लड़ो ना. May the best team win. That should be the spirit of any sport or an election. May the best team win. May people choose you for the work that you've done. Why bring up EVMs and bahanas and excuses?
नो नाविका जी, हम तो खेलेंगे भी, हम लड़ेंगे भी, हम जीतेंगे भी, उसमें तो कोई दौरान नहीं है. बट द थिंग इज, इट इज बेटर टू नोट मेक ऑल द पीपल इन कंसर्न नोटिस कि वी नो ऑल द ट्रिक्स ऑफ द ट्रेड, सो डोंट ट्राई इट दिस टाइम अराउंड.
Are you accusing the election commission? Are you accusing the election commission?
Like I said, ma'am, we hope the election commission is fair this time around.
No, see,
Oh, so in 2016 they weren't fair? In 2016 they weren't fair?
this is चयनात्मक conditional.
In 2000.
One second.
Shehzad, one second.
Please go
in
ahead.
2016, BJP did these huge Naroda and Saroda cases, but people of Bengal gave their mandate with 211
So then why are you
votes. And
losing
now the videos
confidence?
are-
I'm running out
This
of
is
time,
last
Riju
line.
Datta.
One last time. This is conditional commitment to democracy. अगर मेरा परिवार जीते, मैं जीतूं, तो I am fully trusting the democracy and institutions. If I lose, then institutions are not working fine. But देखो, ये हृदय परिवर्तन नहीं हुआ इनका. चुनावी हिंदू बने हैं, ये भी हार के डर से, और ईवीएम को ब्लेम कर रहे हैं, ये भी हार के डर से.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the game is on. It's about the best team winning. Why are excuses being brought up even before the first vote has been polled is the question Mamata Banerjee and the Trinamool Congress need to think about.